Hey guys, Rob here with Fret Not. So as you guys know, we kind of moved into a new space and we still can't show you all of it yet. But we wanted to highlight something today. I did a lot of research, sort of like we do our guitar stuff, trying to figure out who the best company was or what we thought was the best company to help, show off some of our guitars. So we chose diamondLife. And this particular rack system is the 95-inch system. Now, each one of these hangers, we have 8 up there at the moment to showcase 8 guitars. We only have 7 up there at the moment because of the sign. But these are totally movable and rotatable. And if you were to put, this rack will actually hold 16 guitars if you just cut them at a little bit of an angle. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. So the way they're set right now, you can just turn them and you could put 16 guitars on this setup. Very simple to install. I'm gonna have some video of us putting it up. Very easy, very professional looking setup. And we really appreciate diamondLife for getting involved with us. And we really think this particular product, helps showcase our guitars off in their best light. They have a lot of different systems, and do yourself a favor, man, go over to their website, check out what they've got. Even if it's a small rack system, if you're going back to singles, they do offer a lot of options, and we feel like the quality and the workmanship on this is really good. I believe these came out of Pennsylvania, and they shipped to us relatively quick. And we just wanted to give you guys a quick look at it and kind of let you see, who we chose. And we did the same research just like we would on guitars. And we just really feel like the diamondLife was the best product for us. Okay, guys, you guys have a great day. And until next time.